Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this bag. Let me see if I can get this open. This way maybe? Kind of strangely packaged. I'm telling you, all of the stores have been this way. I'm not sure if it's different regulations on shipping packages or just why they've all come kind of weird, but it's not going to hurt this. So we have two cross-stitch kits. Let me see if I can get them out. All right. Now, these two packages come from the PaintSomeWay store. And if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So we'll start with the first one here. Let me see if I can get that out of my way. It is a Joy Sunday kit. And it is 55 by 55. I believe it might be it's an 11 count for a change. See if I can get it out of the bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, please. Oh my gosh, it's stuffed in that bag. It's going to need its own new bag. All right. I thought this was very colorful. It's called Seaside Lighthouse. I liked all the bright, vivid colors. And this one, I'm not sure how much it was. I didn't write that down. Okay. But I will have it like right in here somewhere. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful with all the different colors. So we'll have to see what we have here. Kind of looks fallish, Halloweenish maybe. I'm not real sure. The paper pattern is broke down into 6 parts. It's 195 stitches by 195 stitches. We do have a little bit of back stitching, just kind of here, there, everywhere, just lightly. A little bit on the lighthouse. We do have something here on the lighthouse. It might be a spider, not sure. And we have some branches down there. A little bit on the little flowers to kind of bring them out. There's one or two right there. I'm not sure what that is. It might be a boat. Let's see what we have for colors. We have 60 full stitch colors, and we only have back stitching, so there's no half cross or any French knots. There are 5 colors in back stitch, but they are part of the numbers up here, so it's no different than any of the other numbers. Do have 2 sets of numbers. This one goes to the paper pattern. This goes to the canvas. So that's quite a few colors. We have 310 black. Let's see. No, we have 823. We have no 939. So the darkest color is your 310 black. And they're using B5200 for the white. So yeah, but very nice pattern, very easy to see. This is going to be very, very colorful. So yeah, a nice big huge canvas, and it has not been wet. Let's take a look at the colors here. Oops, everybody got all stuck, but man, we have some bright colors. We do have 2 needles and 2 thread cards. They are the good thread cards with all the information on it. This is your 310 black over here. They put that separate. But look at the turquoises and kind of a raspberry color and dark green. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Kind of a medium seafoam green over here and some pale pink. But we got some oranges. And this one is kind of a medium salmon color, if you will. So, yeah. And we have 938, not 939. And this is a darker brown. So those are your 2 pretty dark colors. There's some more 310 black. but we have greens and oranges and rusts. This is 814. It's that rustish red. There's some bright, vivid goldish yellow. Woo! And a beautiful teal color. So very nice colors. Nice and bright and vivid. Just beautiful. Ooh, look at all that. Bright colors. They're so cheery. I do like that about them. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. This is quite large. It's about the size, I think, of, I think it's called Autumn House by Joy Sunday. Let me open this up. Huge, ginormous, very big, dang it, trying. Big key that runs along the bottom. Very easy to see your thread card number, the symbol, and the DMC numbers. You have them all the way across the bottom and then all the way up here. And on this side, you have more of your DMC numbers. I guess since there's so many of them, 60 is a lot. And then you have your back stitching colors. So very nice. It's a little bit longer than it is wider, if you will. So this says 55 centimeters or 21.5 inches by 56 centimeters or 22 inches. The actual size is approximately 18 inches or 46 centimeters by, we're trying, 45 centimeters or 17 3/4 inches. So it's good size, and this one is full coverage from what I can see. I'll show you the canvas here in a minute. We're doing the twisty thing. Give it a sec. And I do have to move those scissors before I drop them off on my foot or something. Get them out of the way. Oh my goodness. But I will show you how well this is printed. Nice dark colors. Very easy to see. Doesn't look too confettied. I'm sure the back stitching will help pick it up. But very nicely done. Good job, Joy Sunday. All right. Let's get on to the next one. The next one is a spring kit. It is 50 by 90. It was $9.99. I'm assuming that that other one was pretty comparable price. And it is also an 11 count. Let me put that up there and flip it. And I have no idea what this is called. It just says maybe spring butterflies. I'm not real sure. But it is beautiful. It is 173 stitches across and 343 down. So nice big size. It is a partial and it is on tan canvas. And comes with a whole full page instructions on how to start, how to finish. Let me see if I can get everybody out of there. Nice big key. Easy to see. This is going to have a little more confetti. Do we only have... Okay. We have 35 colors in full stitch. You have 5 colors in mixed stitch. And 1 in back stitch, which is your 310 black. And you've got 3 colors in, oh, help me here, half cross stitch. So it said 35, but there is a number 40, so I'm assuming maybe that's 8. Okay, so 38, 37, 33, 36, 37, 39, and there's 40. So total of 40 colors. We have 321 red, which is a Christmas red. No 310 black. Well, you have 310 black, but it's only back stitching. 666 red. No 823, no 939. We have that 3770, which is a butter color, and 3864. I'm looking for 3865. No. So, I'm not sure what they're going to use for white, but very nicely done. Your back stitching is on the butterfly and the inscription for the picture. So that, let me see if there's any, there's a little bit, I don't know if that's a color. You know what I mean? Like an actual thread color. Let me see if I find that. Oh, sorry, I left my computer on. I'm not seeing that, so it kind of looks like back stitching, but maybe not. I don't see a brown line. I'm missing something? Weird. Maybe that's purple? Maybe that's what it is. It's purple. So it's a thread color. So the only back stitching is around these butterflies and the inscription. So very nice. As you can see, we have the very dark canvas. Let's take a look at the beautiful colors with all those lovely pink flowers. Now this one does not tell you all the information like the Joy Sunday kit did. You do have 2 needles there, but look at the reds and the pinks. We even have like a charcoal color. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Beautiful. And there is your 310 black. So there's not much of it, just for the inscription and the butterfly. So very nice. Very nice indeed. This kind of reminds me of another one that I got from the Spring Company. Looks similar to this, but it was more strung out. This is like a hanging pink flower, if you will. Get it out of its plastic. Whoop, we have a spare thread there. I don't know where it's coming. Oh, it was part of the serging. You do have extra, a little bit extra canvas because this edge is a salvage edge, but the rest of it is all serged. But very nicely done. And I think I have it upside down. So sorry, my bad. Let's see if we can just show you this before I get there. So it is fairly easy to see. And you do have your paper pattern. I want to see something. Let me go. And this, so the paper pattern will match the canvas because all these symbols are the same. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about going back and forth, but very nicely printed. Let me see if I can measure this. And it's a partial. So I may start at the top, I may start at the bottom. I'm not real sure. And I'm not real sure if I can measure this, but we're going to give it the old college try here. All right. It is 35 3/4 inches or 91 centimeters long. Sometimes when you have that salvage edge, they give you more. Just a bit more. But it's not going to unravel or anything strange. And this way it is 49 centimeters or about 19 1/4 inches. The actual picture size is 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches by, let's see here, and get there, 31 inches or 78.5 centimeters. So it's nice size, and I'm glad it's very well printed. Whoa, I told you I'd drop that. So yeah, I'm really pleased with both these kits. I have no idea which one I'm gonna start today, just cause. But I'm glad it's an 11 count. Something different. I haven't had 11 count for a long time, except for my hairpin ladies. So the rest of it's mostly in 14 count. But I will show you this. But it does look a bit confettied right through here. So just a little bit by a little bit, and it will get done. Now that is all that I got from PaintSomeWay. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for these two gorgeous kits. I love them both. Now, PaintSomeWay has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all that. And they're probably having a summer sale, as are all the stores at this time of year. So do check out what they have to offer. I have ordered from them personally and not had problems. And if I did, you know, order something and something happened to a kit, they have always been very good to, you know, reship it. And that way I have the, or at least the canvas, you know, because you already got the thread. But yeah. So they've always taken care of business. I do like them. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.